Welcome to Padu Motivations. I am in my Tesla Model 3, and today I'm going to show you how to change lock sounds on your Tesla. Tesla's got some new lock sounds. I'm also going to preview all the lock sounds in real time so you can get an actual visual and audio of how these lock sounds sound. Okay, here's how you change the lock sound. So first you want to do is you want to go to the car icon and you want to go to the toy box. I just happen to have the toy box down here. If you don't see that there, you want to go to these three little buttons and you go to the toy box right here. Once you get in the toy box, you want to actually go to, sometimes it may default to one of these other ones, romance or whatever. You go to the boombox feature and here's your lock sound right here. And you want to go to, and it has all the lock sounds. So I'm going to preview all these for you in real time. The first one is an applause. Now, this next sound is a head turner for sure, and it's probably one of the most popular lock sounds that Tesla came up with. Check it out. The old fart sound. See if you can make this one out. A rubber ducky. Check this lock sound out. Hopefully you can see what this one's like. Just a jingle. See if you can make this sound out. It's called Charged Up. So that's a new one. Got a few more for you. Which one you like so far? Check this one out. A clown horn. Okay, stick around. I got a couple more good ones. This one is for my musicians. Check it out. Check this out. A drum. Now, this is one lock sound I don't want to ever hear in real life or in person. Prison door slam. This one actually is my favorite sound. Check this out. It's just a chirp. Tell me what sound this is. Can you make it out? What do you think that was? Well, it was a goat. Those of you who like Donald Duck, you're going to like this one. Hey, if you like content like this, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the next video.